Welcome back, pure structure traders in YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is December 2nd, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be December 3rd, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, giving you some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe for us. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, do got some levels here. We got some main supports coming down 45.50 to as high as about 45.50. So that one's a little bit, you see that's kind of close, 45.50 even and 45.50. All right, so that's going to be our main area of support. Mid-level between all of this is going to be right between these 67 to about 71s. Now this is going to be a little bit of a area where you could get a bit confused. So if you don't understand what you're trying to do in this area, make sure you stay away from it. Wait out for more of the exhaustive areas. Somewhere between these 83 to about 87s is going to be where we get our resistance here as we pull towards it. We got resistance above that, 96.50, and then 46.0625 as a resistance above that as well. But right now, kind of in between this area right here, this potentially could hold this support here and then shoot right back up, or it could give us a nice double top. And once we get that, could pull down from this area as well. So just keep that in mind. This is a mid area that we definitely could either go up or down in. So you want to make sure that when you're looking at this area, you understand what you're trying to do and the type of trade you're trying to put on. For me right now, it looks more like it could actually potentially go higher. I am anticipating this market trying to retest these 83 to 87, so we'll keep that in mind as we try to gradually pull into that area. This is where we're looking for a nice double top and a short from this area if we get there. If not, this could be a nice double top here right down below. That gives us a nice short opportunity right into support, so keep that in mind. Again, the area that I'm looking to go long, that's going to be a little bit more comfortable for me, is going to be right between these 45.50s or 45.50 even as a support. So just keep that in mind for S&P 500. Let's go ahead and take a look at a smaller chart here. Okay, so here up in this smaller chart here, you can see we're a little bit above where we should have found that resistance. You see we popped up above that right between those 71.25s, broke up above, and this could be the area that we end up finding that support. Really would like to see that support happen right on top of these peaks right here, 71.25, and then see the upside. So not necessarily looking for the long just yet, as we haven't found support above that, but there could be that support at 67 that we potentially hold here. And then once we get that nice hold, that's where we could be looking for a long opportunity from there. But get back underneath this area here, and this definitely could be a nice pull down to the downside. So just keep that in mind. Again, this is going to be a mid area, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult to try to trade. Again, I do have that target up above, which is what I'm technically looking for the market to try to get to, is those 83 to 87. So I do think we'll round up to the upside from where we are at. But again, this could be pretty much a downside move or an upside move. So just be careful right in this mid area. Moving over into gold, let's take a look at what gold is giving us. So gold, we're going to have resistance right here, 73.1 to about 74.9. This is going to be a key area of resistance. If we do not hold this area as resistance, next levels above 79.7, 1782.6, and then 1785.2 as the areas up above, and then one bigger target at 1791.1. But want to see what we do here first. Getting this rejection and then coming right back down is what we anticipate the market to try to do right between this area. So solid resistance, what we're looking for. Then a nice pull down into those 1762.4s. That's going to be a major area of support for us. So just keep that in mind. We are looking for this resistance to hold and then try to make a push lower. Now, if we cannot get past this, this is going to be a little bit of a closer area for us, but let's just highlight this. Sorry. If we do break down from this resistance into 1768 and we cannot pass that level of support, we more than likely will bounce and then try to retest the resistance and potentially push through. So just keep in mind, if you're looking to short, you're looking to try to short 2 here at 68 and then through this level into the next level down below, the support at 62.4. Just keep that in mind. If not, we may bounce and shoot right off to the resistance again and through it to our next couple levels. For those who want the long opportunities again, 68.8 is going to be your first area. Down below, 62.4 is going to be your next area of the long opportunities. Moving over into crude oil, let's take a look at what we've got so far. So crude oil coming up into resistance level 67.84 is going to be a key area of resistance. Want to see if we hold this level and then come right back down to 66.77. That's going to be in a key area of support for us as well. Down below that, 65.50 is the next area of support as well. Resistance above 68.83. So we could end up seeing a nice double top right in this area, and then crude oil coming right back down. So that's going to be our first short idea. If you want the bullish trend continuational trade, this is going to be the long. 66.77 is going to be the area first for the long, if not down below 65.50 as the next area for the support long. So just keep that in mind. As we draw into the London session, we'll see where we're at as far as price is concerned and our levels. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well and trade disciplined and with patience. Other than that, you guys take care. Have a great night.